Bridging Kalulu. Now see him. Dance Kalulu style. Kalulu style. Kalulu style 97. You know what I'm saying? Man.
Hold up your heads, my brothers. Be conscious, my sisters. And by your works you shall show.
Never this no man, you know what I'm saying?
No never try to diss the man with the anger. The one who's got the tiger. The one who sits high.
You know what I'm saying? Every time we know that no man no better than a man. So never diss a man. Sanchez. God of his mercy. Reggae Sunsplash 1996 inside City Hall. King Lion, Saudi Simba, Shashamane, alongside Jahmbo sound. It's one love in a big style. Hey, y'all shall be paid by your works. So never try to miss the song with the younger. The one who's got the title.
The one who sits high and it looks down low.
Use like Zaka, not dedication. Man call Atu. Use like Motito, respect.
Then you'll be someone that he don't know.
All of Jericho team, Paroda Massimo.
Say a prayer and chant a song.
Antonio, Testino, Mutogo.
You don't have to go to church or be a Christian to call on your name.
The man is called Sanchez. Together with Shashamane International Chamber Sound. King Teddy's big and ready all timer.
Call out your name, the same, call out the name. So never try to diss the man with the
Reggae out of Pangani. Messiah, Domino, Lucky Sogio.
And if you ever diss the man with the anger,
the one who's got the title,
then you will be someone that he don't know.
Respect UHURU Radio Station.
Listen up,
looks like Muturi, man called Debbie Kabbalah.
Life is precious. Listen up, I know time is skin up. Life
alongside the professor, Harry Souma.
You got to have the heart of a lion. Did you die to reach Mount Zion? You can never be afraid. Just call on his name. Life is no
combination green.
Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come.
Hurry up and come. So big sounds come.
I home is not in Babylon.
Mount Zion is I home. I say
any day from now.
I home.
Calling all Rastaman.
No more will lion a hirom.
Hurry up and come. Hurry
No
up and come.
more is one of time.
Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come.
Haraka ukuje. Come again. Inside the man called Kokoti with a song called Fanya Haraka ukuje.
Say come. When Selassie
Now fanye haraka.
leave out of the slum and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come.
Selassie is calling.
Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come.
Just getting at the scene.
My home is not in Babylon. Mount Zion is my home. And I say, any day from now, I am a yard in
out of Pangani.
calling on Rastaman. No more will I and I roam. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come.
That is
Hurry
teachers.
up and come.
Looks
Hurry
like
up and
Captain
come.
out of
Hurry up and
Netherlands.
come. 'Cause Babylon done. From England straight to America, even down here in the valley of Jaffa.
Looks like Willie in the dance from International Casino.
Fire burn for us.
Reggae Sunsplash.
In a Babylon there's a disaster. Well, I can't get no food, no water.
Respect for Blue Electronic.
Get up and come, get up and come, 'cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. You know, sister Babylon done. Like a fallen leaf that fall into the stream one day. Well, I say, so is a Babylon. Selassie gonna wash them away. And for all the heedless thing they've done, now them are gonna get them away. Get up and come, get up and come, get up and come, cause Babylon.
Hurry up and come, hurry up and come,
hurry up and come.
Man call up those things, free to move.
I promise to strengthen the weak and give sight to the light. Don't matter what their oppressors do, in this year I'm a Gideon times. Rasta is here to conquer all trials and tribulation. So pack your little grip and come, let's leave out of Babylon. Get up and come, get up and come, get up and come, cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up.
Wicked on top. Inside combination for Mr. Sizzler with a song called I Wonder If I Live to See Tomorrow. Yeah. Worries. If I was here tomorrow, living this world of conflict and sorrow, don't stay cold and don't strike cold of the wicked people is taking off like an arrow. I wonder.
Until death, it's not hard for you to guess what will happen next.
Sasa!
One God wills. Some know why them a live, that's why them have to earn the flesh. But who are
Man is called the Daddy Sizzler. Together with the man called Buckers. Jericho Tima. Man called Felix out of Kangami Best. Two man. All of the one person. I wonder why.
Like a fool, but if I try the wrong road, away I want to pull because the best love the iniquity never yet full. I wonder, living in this world of sorrows, one is like gold, and gunmen strike bold, and we can
work is taking off. They're burning.
I wonder if I will see tomorrow.
Wicked tune after wicked tune. We don't say when three bad songs come in a combinations for murder. Yeah, we don't lie, we don't just stop, we don't jump. Serious.
Instruments of
Cruelty present everywhere, strong enough to take life,
but not enough to care. As the road gets dark, I expect anything. I know not many enemies, so it leaves wondering. Any life
who's saying?
who is the next victim?
It could be you, it could be
I to how them set the system. Them kill without the cause. What is the meaning? So no one knows what tomorrow may bring.
I'm not sure if I will live to see tomorrow. Living this world of conflicts and sorrows.
What is like
Cameraman wants to on stage. Cameraman.
like an arrow. I wonder
Chucky.
if I will see tomorrow. Living in this world of conflict and
Rango Mundo.
sorrows. What is like gold as gunmen strike bold and the
Wicked people work is taking off ballad.
They are filled with corruption and selfishness.
The man Stereo West Madaraka Posse. Ow, ow, ow.
Wicked on the road they walk. Oh yes, them
Say we ask for you to guess what will happen next.
that now go first on the heart because really not a sight and do what it
Yeah.
it to be said that
Na huyu haielewi kabisa Jack Male.
and I am my brother's keeper. What have I done? Them no want to see me prosper.
Shashamane! Shashamane! Shashamane!
I wonder if I will see tomorrow.
Shashamane!
This world of sure. I wonder if I will see tomorrow. Living in this world of conflicts and sorrows.
Body strike board, that's born to strike board.
And the
We
wicked
begin it.
work is taking off like an arrow.
I'm not.
Now to do to reduce my knowledge, because I will always break down barriers and burn down bandage.
Which one?
All I've got Almighty grant not
Him
privilege.
name Sizzler,
You see,
think
I have to overcome all the wicked. Him and them fastings.
Sizzler.
I don't teach me anything wrong. Who the white God save me from white man oppression? I have no white God. It's just a black messiah. Why God that bless, so him not blesses. I have no white God. Don't teach me anything wrong. Who the white God save me from white man oppression? I have no white God. It's
long. Not play too long. Mix it. Mix it.
From white man I am no white God. It's just a black messiah. White God bless you in the bless. Oh, me face contact with anger. That no right. All things who that valuable most.
That Israel king.
War is again. War is again. Coco is Israel's God.
Anyone else can say, tell them mama, them mother.
Now.
Well now, we've come to one conclusion.
No more of Babylon's destabilization. You know that it's time to circle on forward.
Has made our resolution.
I say that. No more Babylon destabilization. You know, hey. Because you know the Israel's king is Israel's God. Anytime, anywhere, anyhow. Yo, feel it.
This Israel's God. And what does that say? I must say my demand. Israel's king.
Is Israel's God.
And what does that say? I must say my demand.
No.
Exalt ye the name of the king from before his presence. With sing.
Reggae Sunsplash 1996.
He is the irate.
King Lion is here.
Irate.
Jahmbo Sounds is here.
Now we are.
Shashamane is here. The Papa Charlie, big up every time. Jackie, every time you respect a lot, you know. Sha. Rabba, every time, big respect. Bonafide, you know. Yeah, man, I love this tune. I love it, man.
Yes, Israel's king. Israel's God.
Outside, inside, Coco. Oh God! Remember this! Outside, select it. Out of the brand new Israel vibration. Sounds cars. King Solomon's mine. Ja people don't be worried.
Ja people don't you be on a tree.
Israel!
Ja people don't be tricked by a
Introducing the mighty Mr. Vibration, brand new release. Ja
Open
people
your
don't
eyes.
Out of free to move. It's a vibration. Together with the man called Don Saka. Live inside the city hall.
In harm is no one. To be the prophet. And now you're telling me. Say it come from Jah. Move the devil doctrine. The false Jesus. A king of Solomon, a bloodline.
The recycle is kidding. Out of Pangami youth.
History no lie. He's the Lion of Judah. Me trod through Jerusalem. To put me on the stone. He said, oh, come. They couldn't conquer me. Brainwashing hypocrisy. Them educated criminals. Blood sucking vampire society. And the trumpet is a trumpeting a sea. Make a way for the positive day.
King Solomon's mine. Shoma inside the house, championa every time. Ja people don't you be controversial.
Ja children don't you be contrary. Oh Lordy.
Inside a 1996 production is revelation. Ow.
Open your mind. A message in the healing. Truth is revealed. In how is no one to be the prophet. Now you're telling me that it come from a Japhet. And the move the devil doctrine. the false Jesus. Solomon bloodline, a king of Solomon, a bloodline in Ethiopia. History no lie, he's the Lion of Judah. Me trod to Jerusalem, put me hand on stone in the same polka.
Was a warning, Jah was a warning, Jah he's not coming back with no water, but with fire. Coming back with fire, burn them wicked. Brimstone and fire.
Remember, this is the Reggae Sunsplash 96. The three big sounds. All Pangani youth, not dedication. Youth like Toski. Junior boy out there, maximum greetings. Youth like Bullet, man called Wiki. Yes?
Why
Davis?
These are the sounds of the mighty melodians. And this one is a warning. Jah will be coming with no water about to the fire, so you better set yourself straight out to the max every time. See? Hey.
The people of Jah, Reggae Massive.
He's the fairest of them all.
Also we have picture King Toby, the big youth. Maximum security. Youth like Sharif in the dance hall. Pangani, Councillor. All Majengo youth, not dedication. All Bakanya base. Man called Tribo Junior. Youth like Sanchez, man called Oush Papa. State House Massive. Man called Mwangi Chege out of Back Street. Brigadier Tonje, Asanji Sana. This time we have picture Shashamane.